Alright guys, hi, my name is Bella, and this is my Padlet dashboard. We're going to explore this a little bit in my teaching math folder specifically. So these are four walls I've made so far, and the other four are other walls that I found very interesting. But I want to go into depth of my teaching math portfolio. Math is not my strongest suit to teach. I'm more of a history person. That is my focus, in ELA I find very interesting. But math is something that is super important to teach kids and is essential to their learning. So something I need to progress on and learn how to do better is teaching math in the most influential way for the children to understand what they're learning. So far, the last three little postings right here is, you can see on the bottom it says Seesaw, which I found out is an app that kids can use as kind of like a whiteboard, because I know that everything is now on Google Chromes and iPads, and students do have whiteboards, so it's probably more fun to write on the iPads, but it's a little fun way. These are different ways the teacher used the app, and fun ways you can introduce the app into your classroom, because you can use it in multiple different ways for multiple different lessons, which I found very fun. Quick and easy comparing fractions app smash. This is just different apps you can use for fractions that you can download that kids can use on their iPads. And then this was the one I found most helpful, was the place value app smash. I'm gonna actually click on this one. And what it is it's an article, if it loads, of different apps that teachers found very helpful, and games they used for each of them, because everything is moving more towards technology and you want to be as tech savvy as you can to help the kids. And then if you go all the way to the bottom, which I found super cool, is there are a bunch of different teachers commenting their favorite apps, what worked for them, what didn't work for them, you know. So I found that really cool. But anyway, that's mine, and I'm definitely gonna, oops, gonna add more to it as I go along, because I am gonna be writing my math lesson. But I think this is a good start and a fun way for me to keep everything organized. Okay, thank you so much.